Man, here so goddamn on that. SS Impala. Man, here, gross. Fudgy. Lip on the front. Impala SS. Here so man. The paint is crazy. And the whole trunk did. It's crazy. Yeah, right. I don't know, you got down this thing. I ain't like to paint it first. I ain't gonna lie. But it grew on me. The rims set it off. See, I put the pinstripe on there. Same color the rims. You feel me? Put that pinstripe, same color. Ooh! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. 96, boy. The 96, boy. man. Y'all see what's going on now. Hey, man. That's good work, bro.
You went
That's good work. That's good work, bro, cuz. Man, this, right here?
Nah, the bottom. The bottom half was gone.
Okay, it was down here, yeah.
The whole bottom was gone. What I did, I came in with fiberglass. I robbed another piece that was very similar off of a 79 Malibu grill. Old scrap grill I had. I cut a piece off.
Yeah.
And then came in, stitched them together. Well, nah, flipping around. It did bother.
Yeah.
All this piece been replaced. This whole piece from about right here all the way over.
Yeah, man. I'm like, a lot of people understand, man. Like, but this 7, what is it, 79 to 77?
77, 79, you can't
bro.
find it. You can't find it.
I said, everybody got those 80s bars, bro.
Yeah,
you can find all that stuff.
You can't find it.
It just it be little small little stuff that you just can't, like a filler piece, like.
Yeah.
Bro.
Like, I can show you. You got your light on. Come on, I'll show you mine.
Yeah, man.
98. 79 Impala.
Yeah.
Ain't got the original grill in the
Yeah, man, it's crazy. I be watching this on the YouTube in person.
Yeah, like I say, this a damn 77 grill I had to make work.
Yeah.
See, this what you talking about was missing.
Yeah.
These pieces here.
Yeah.
But what I might be able to do, I'll pull these out and just get me I'll make a piece that fit in here. That way you'll be straight. You know what I'm saying? Since you ain't got these right here.
Yeah, I just I see paper you can just ship those to.
Yeah, I just ship them. But what I'll do when I get a minute, I'll pull mine out to make a piece out of double weed that fit right in there.
Man, they don't understand, bro.
Shit, nah, bro.
Hey, man, and I said I want to get a 2-door. So I'm done with them. I might get an LS. I might get an LS box. I'll be done with the box.
Baby, man. But that was my 2-door. The 2-door I'm working on.
Yeah.
$85, dog. That way I know I can get parts for it.
Yeah.
So they good here. Shit, we can't get nothing for this car.
So you can't get nothing for it.
Part.
Oh, I'm about to say shit. They ain't get somebody buy it now.
Oh yeah, I already know that.
Somebody buy it. But your parts, bro.
Parts going though.
They don't understand, bro. They don't get it, bro. Like, I was like, man, what I got my 72. I went through the whole car.
What?
I went with the orange interior. I had the gray suede headliner. I just put a billet steering wheel on, wrapped in gray suede.
Yeah.
What else I did? I did everything, bro. I had like one hole. I had a hole in the floor, the floor. New carpet. You know, we talking about this Philly, y'all.
Yeah. That's a sheet metal, man.
Bro, you can't. You're not finding it.
Yeah, you can't find that shit.
Bro, I got lucky and found it, bro.
Boy, you looked up then.
So, but guess how long it took? Like 2 years.
Yeah.
Like, bro, they don't understand, bro. Bro, they don't understand, bro. The gap right in the back just ugly, dog.
Boy, if you don't put it in there, it's terrible.
Then I heard somebody say you can push the bumper shock in or something like that.
Some people do. But I don't don't really care.
But it's not gonna look right, y'all. I feel if you push the.
You know, some people delete the bumper filler and push the shock in, but I don't like that. I don't care for that look.
Yeah, I like, bro. You the only person besides me I know who got this back here, bro.
Yeah.
It's nobody got that back there on these models, bro.
Yeah.
It's a gap. Always, it's a gap. That's crazy. And you the only person I see. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is real life. Like, it's not on the channel. This is real life. Like,
Yeah.
even for you to have all this in,
All that still there.
man, that's crazy. Like, that's the original top, or you changed the top?
Nah, I put that top
You
on.
did the sunroof?
Yeah, long time. Like I say, man, this actually my first car.
Yeah.
I done had this car.
Oh, but I would never sell
I
it,
done had
bro.
this car since '98, man. Bought that
Yeah,
car in the 10th grade.
I would never sell it.
Like I say, I really passed it down to my son. My son driving now.
Yeah.
But yeah, she ain't shit. She ain't going nowhere. We got plans to redo some shit on her.
Yeah. That grill, that's the last touch.
Yeah.
That's the last touch, bro. But now everybody been on me by pulling it out. It's time to go and pull them out now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sitting on rallies too.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a flat cap. I have some derby. I have some of those too though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I had I got an 86 Colors. I just LS swap.
Okay.
I bought it. I had a Trailblazer LT.
Mm-hmm.
Turned to the SS. I got the 6.0 out of a wreck Trailblazer SS.
Gotcha.
The whole SS, everything. Told him what's going on. I'm gonna get paid again. See that one messed up right there. Fixed. It wet sand the book. You see how inside under the hood looking. Come on now. Said I need some gas. Oh boy. There ain't no gas in there. Ain't no gas in there, man. Yeah, bro. Yeah. We got whole AC, everything. AC, everything. The car didn't come with AC either. You feel me? The spot I had showed y'all, they gone. Man, hey, bro. Hey, man, I'm bringing pressure, bro. Box Chevy King, man. Get out of the other drop, man. Box Chevy King, man. Oh, our Box Chevy ain't coming like, oh, my God. See, I got them 80s, bro. I got this 79, bro. Like, it's a different, bro. Like, it's a different, bro. Like, it was harder to put mine together, bro. The 80s is easier. And I got the big back window, bro. Like, it ain't got the back window like the two-door, but the 80s Box Chevy window ain't like this one, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. That thing is dirty. Like, that thing is still nasty, bro. Like, good, bro. But that box sounded good, boy. That box sounded good. Like, it sounded good, boy. Right. Ooh, I gotta fix that light. I gotta fix that light, bro. Ooh. See what's going on. Ooh. Get that grill going on, boy. That grill in there.